Everyone, I have a scarf here and it's easy to make, and this is sell in the store and you just have to take this off. That's only 25 cents. Before it's $3 and now it's 25 cents, and we got a really good deal, and this is really easy to make. You will surprise how it's easy to make a scarf like this, because you don't have to use a lot of time and you just have to make it your own and you have a scarf. And this one I'm gonna show you how I make the scarf like this, and it's showing the instruction how you're gonna make it, and it's really beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to put my hand inside of this until I can reach the end, and I can put it together. So yeah, you can just have to do like this till the end. Now here's the end. Now I'm going to do is I'm gonna hold this so it's not gonna mix, and then I'm bringing the end. The end is here, and then I'm bringing where my hand right is, and then I'm bringing this all until it put it together like that. So the end is here. Now I'm going to hold this in my left hand, and I'm gonna bring this back where you can see is this like that. So there's the end. So if you want to stay like the long as this for a scarf, then that's fine. So I look at it and I really like the double too. So this is one double, so I'm going to make like 2 times. Okay, so I'm gonna make another one and put it in my hand again. So in the second time is not that really hard to do it because it's not that long. So the end, hold it again, same the other one, and then bring this up together. The other side again, and bring it back again. So as you can see, it's not like it's thinner now. This one is thick and it's shorter than the other one. So here we go, guys. There's our very simple scarf, and it's thick though. It's good for winter, and it's beautiful. Look how pretty it is. And I have the other one to here. This one you're gonna like the color. So yeah, it's very nice, and I really like it, and I was thinking to sell it, and then if you can really get a good deal with this because it's 25 cents. You can sell like $1, you get 70, oh yeah, 75 cent. You can the profit you can get for 25 cents that you bought this. This is really good, and it's the beautiful color, and it's warm. It's really warm, and I really like it. So yeah, guys, hope you like it. And yeah, I'm thinking to sell this stuff maybe in AV, or you can contact Troy if you want to ask something or comment my video, and later on I can answer you. But sometimes I cannot really like all the time in the phone. Now I have a baby, and my time is on my baby, and my focus is on my baby. So yeah, this is really amazing for a gift that Troy gave me. This is really good. I like the color, and I like the color this one too, but I really like this color. It's beautiful. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and bye. Have a good day everybody.